Good day, folks. It's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Today's video is not about a repair of any sort, which that's usually what my stuff is, but giving you, some of you might be obvious, but I work in this big shop. It's too big to heat well. In fact, I don't even have any heat in here because it's open to the attic, and my hands in the wintertime are just frozen. I mean, like literally I pick up tools that are the temperature of freezing water. So one thing I often do is have a halogen light stand. I had this years ago because this is all that was available, and then they came out with LED lights like this. So I bought a set of these that are LEDs, and I used them for years and years. And now I find I'm digging these halogen ones out again, and all I do is I use them for light. I use them to shine on me when I'm working, but I also take the biggest wrench I have. You can do this with a piece of pipe, piece of angle iron, anything, and I just stick it in there and forget about it. And then whenever my hands are cold from working on cold tools, if I need it to break, I'll go walk over and I'll just hold that wrench for a while. And that is the thermal transfer between a big piece of steel like that and your hand is really, really effective. And you can thaw your hands out in just 30 seconds and then put the wrench back and go back to work for another few minutes on your project. This would probably work fine outdoors as well. I don't think because you're outside this wouldn't work. I think it would be just as effective. Okay, good luck with your do-it-yourself projects and keep your hands warm.